Hello everyone and welcome to Greater College of Education. So we'll be discussing today about TS EdSet 2021 notifications and eligibility and all the syllabus in detail. So here is the distribution of subject-wise marks and examination dates of TS EdSet, that is Combined Entrance Test of 2021. So the examination dates are August 24th and 25th, 2021. The mark distribution are as mathematics contains of 20 marks, science contains of 20 marks, social science contains of 20 marks, general knowledge and educational issues contains of 30 marks, teaching aptitude is of 20 marks, English 20 marks, computer awareness 20 marks. So total 150 marks and 1 marks each for correct questions. Now, what is TS EdSet? The TS EdSet exams are conducted for candidate who wants to take up B.Ed courses in universities and colleges within the Telangana state. Osmania University will conduct the TS EdSet exam on behalf of the Telangana State Council of Higher Education. Students can check for the TS EdSet 2021 syllabus online from the official website of TS EdSet 2021. Checking the TS EdSet 2021 syllabus will help the students understand how to prepare and what to study for the TS EdSet 2021 exam. In this presentation, I'll be sharing the detailed knowledge of the syllabus of the TS EdSet exams. So the syllabus of mathematics in this, it is included up to class 10 of Telangana state curriculum. Okay, so number system we have fundamental operation properties, different number systems up to real numbers like even, odd, prime, factorization, LCM, HCF, progressions, fractions, decimals, and laws of logarithms. Commercial mathematics includes ratio inverse, compound, proportion, unitary method, percentage, profit loss, time distance, time work, and GST. Algebra includes variable and constant terms, expressions, degree, operations on algebraic expressions, simple linear equations, and quadratic equations, where the geometry portion involves basic geometric ideas, angles, line and angles, types of triangles, different type of quadrilaterals, part of a circle, and Cartesian system. The mensuration includes perimeter and area of the plane figures, surface areas and volume of different solid figures. Trigonometry includes trigonometric ratios, complementary angles, and trigonometric identities. Data handling portion includes collection and classification of data, graphical representation, reading and interpretation of data form graphs, simple problems related to probability, concept of complementary events. Now, the science syllabus of physical and biological it includes, which is also up to class 10th of the Telangana state curriculum. So this portion includes food from the plants and animals, preservation methods, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, balanced diet, and deficiency diseases. So these are the topics that are included in food. Now, living organisms, what it includes plant cell, animal cells, cell structure and functions, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, characteristics of living organisms, infectious and non-infectious diseases. And the life processes, it includes photosynthesis, flower parts. Humans, it includes digestive, respiratory, endocrine, nervous, these kind of systems. Biodiversity, it includes type of ecosystems, food chain, food web, endangered species, extinct species, about the national parks, cultivation, irrigation, fertilization, all about the agriculture products. Pollution, it includes sources and effects of air, water and soil and sound pollution. Material, it includes transparent, translucent, opaque, solid, liquid, sieving, filtration, neutralization. As you can see, use of metals, non-metals, Archimedes principle, Pascal's principle, and all the principles, uses, and implications as well. In the chapter of light, we have formation and characteristics of shadow, mirror and its type, lenses, angle of vision, dispersion, laws of reflection. In the electricity and magnetism, we have to study type of magnets, simple electric circuit, conductors, insulators, heating effect of electric circuit. Now, heat, in the chapter of heat, we have to study about heat as energy, temperature, evaporation, and condensation. In the sound, we have to go through production of sound, structure of human ears, type of waves, reflection of sound, speed of sound, and about the sound pollution. In motion, we will go through uniform, non-uniform motion, rectilinear, curvilinear motion, field, gravitational, contact forces, factors affecting friction, kinetic energy, potential energy, gravity, and motion. In this chapter changes, we have to go through chapter related changes in seasons, change in state and shape of material, chemical change, crystallization, and galvanization. Weather and climate includes measuring component of weather, air pressure factors, and coal and petrol includes uses of coal, petroleum, natural gas, all its effects, calorific value, and controlling. Some of the natural phenomena is also included in the portion, which is charge of an object, measured during the thunders, lightning conductor, and a few more. Stars in solar system includes type of solar and lunar eclipses, pole star, about the solar system, complete detail, asteroids, comets, and meteors. Metallurgy portion includes minerals, ores, reactivity series of metals, and the chemical reaction, which is very, very important. It includes type of mixtures, solutions, solvents, solute, chemical displacement, chemical double displacement as well. Now we'll be going through social studies portion, which is also up to class 10th of the Telangana state curriculum. So here we have geography first part, our Earth, evolution, latitudes and longitudes, movement of Earth and seasons, relief features of India, reading and making maps, water resources, river and tanks, climate and weather factor affecting climate, natural realms of Earth, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, natural vegetation, population, settlements and migration. The history portion we have Indus Valley civilization, emergence of kingdom, Mahajanpads, all empires, where it be Mughal Empire, Rajputanas, and so many more. So please go through all the empires, revolutions and its types, about the colonialism, about the world wars, post-World War, UNO, social protest movements, League of Nations, and the most important, the movement for the formation of Telangana state. Because we are conducting the exam of the Telangana state, so which is one of the most important portion. Now, in political science, we have Indian constitution, salient features, forms of government, presidential and parliamentary form of government. At the different levels, it could be union, state, local, judicial system in India, civil law, criminal law, courts at different levels, democracy, evolving ideas, human rights, corruption, poverty, disaster management, women protection acts, child rights, traffic education, and so more. Economics, we have money and banking sectors as of economy, agriculture, credit and financial system, prices and cost of living, government budget and taxation, food security, factors of production, globalization, sustainable development, gross domestic product, and national income, per capita income. So these are the topics that are included in economics. Now, in teaching aptitude, what we have to do is aptitude questions will be related to understanding teaching learning process, classroom management, and mentoring with special reference to teacher-pupil relationship. So how do you actually, will you manage the class? How will you manage the students about their psychological development? So there will be questions related to this in the teaching aptitude. Now, in general English, what will be asked? Reading comprehension, spelling errors, vocabulary, phrase replacement, error detection, and word association. These things will be related to general English. In general knowledge and educational issues, you will be asked about current affairs related to India as well as international, contemporary and educational issues. In the computer awareness, you will be given questions related to computer, internet, memory, networking, and fundamentals. All the basic up to class 10th. So here we have this much. Thank you. And if you have any queries, please contact us at the given number in the first slide. Thank you.